how to see your post on Instagram map. Make sure your post have location. Only post with location tags show up on the map. While creating a post, tap add location, search and select your place, then share. For existing post, tap the post, then tap three dot, then tap edit. You will see location below your name. If the location is not added, you can add or you can change location and save. Tap the search icon, the magnifying glass, type your city or cafe, then tap List tab, select any location and tap See More. Use your two finger to zoom into your neighborhood, street or city. Post pinned to the location will appear as small photo thumbnail. Look for your post among the thumbnail. Open the post. If it's public, anyone can see it too. If you added location sticker to stories, they may also appear on the map temporarily. Now you can see all your posts on Instagram map. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.